Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Animash and I'm back with another unboxing. Alright, so this is a Seiko. So basically this is an early birthday present from my lovely wife. anyway, she's sitting right beside me. Anyway, so I am very thrilled to receive this gift, and yeah, it is a Seiko, but which Seiko it is, right? So before we do the unboxing, let's do a quick wristwatch check. I am wearing my Proxima Scuba Master, another awesome watch that is homaging the MM300, right? So it is on this blue shark leather strap, which I haven't reviewed yet, but yes, let's get into the unboxing. So I've took off the original packaging, so that one has my address on it, and yeah, let's just tear this off. Oh, unboxing knife, my Victorinox. I have no idea what model number is this, but it has been with me for the past, I don't know, maybe 10 years or so, right? So let's just very oh my god, this is a bit difficult to get through. Okay, you need to take all of this bubble wrapping off the watch box, and okay, so let's don't hurt ourselves. Right, so let's just put that thing off the table right now. So it is a Seiko. Alright, so okay, so recently I've seen quite a lot of fake Seiko boxes on the online sellers, but I think so far so good. This is original printing, I suppose, right? So if your typical white Seiko box, there's no model number here at the back. Nope, nothing. Alright, so let's see what it is. Okay, so okay, put this one back. Okay, so we have your usual Seiko manual instruction, diverse watch, caliber 4R15, blah blah blah, all of them, and we have your Seiko worldwide guarantee and instruction with these. Maybe it was signed. Yep, it is signed. 17th of June. Okay, so 4R35, they don't have any model number there, but it is good that it is signed. And let's see what inside. What did my wife gave me for my birthday, right? So I am 45 this year. Pretty old. Okay, so oh yes. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. So this is the Seiko, hold on, mini turtle in blue, and the model number for this particular piece is SRPC39K1. I have been eyeing this piece for quite some time now, but you know what, let's check the bezel first, bezel action, and whether it is aligned or not. Right, so far so good. The bezel is nicely aligned. Yep, no misaligned chaptering, no misaligned bezel. Good job, Seiko. Right, so I've decided to go for this particular piece because I watched TGV's latest, maybe not so latest, video with Mark from Long Island Watches. So they have talked about the best, their own top 500 USD watches or diverse watches. So TGV came out with top one is this particular piece, the Seiko oh my god, SRPC39K1, this Seiko mini turtle, right? So very nice combination of matte blue dial and a aluminum bezel insert, 42mm in diameter case, 43mm in lug to lug, and a thickness of, I can't remember, maybe about 13.5. We will do those dimensions in the full review for this particular piece, and a lug width of 20mm. Awesome diverse watch, and of course that hate it or love it Cyclops there. I came to like Cyclops. I just, you know what, they are okay, I don't really mind it. Alright, so let's check out the crown action. A bit gritty oh nice, a bit the first time, right? So let's just give it a wind, and let's see if this thing hacks. Right, so yep, it hacks, so that just nice. So let's take it off the danger zone, right? Danger zone. Okay, so today is 12:20, 12:40. Now it's 12:40 on the 23rd. Nope, 12:40. Right, checking. Right, so setting the time is good, and a bit tight there. Right, so let's just see if we can set the date. Okay, date is functioning well. So it is quite important to do this, this to record your first unboxing of your watch, because sometimes things could go wrong and you have a proof, right? A proof to be sent to the seller, right? Sometimes shit happens. So yeah, okay, so far so good. The winding action, the crown is a little bit gritty, right? I don't know what is it, but anyway, at the back, so we have a Seiko blue sticker. All right, so I normally don't take it off because I just love for it to be there. And let's see how it looks on my tiny 6.75 inch wrist. So I've been contemplating getting this mini turtle for quite some time now, because I think it looks a bit too small. But you know what, damn, that is so nice and comfortable. Yep, that is, you know what, I think even my wife could use this one, right, if she likes to wear a dive watch, right? So yeah, very very nice how to say pattern here, and this Seiko rubber strap or silicone strap is very nice as well, and I can see me wearing this every day, right? So very very cool, right? So anyway, so this is just my initial review for this particular piece. Of course, I'm going to be doing a full review for this particular watch in about 2 or 3 weeks time, and if you want to say happy birthday to me, so that is also welcome. But anyway, thank you very much for my wife, right, for giving me this awesome little Seiko that I've been craving, or I've been wanting for the past how many years, I can't remember. Anyway, let's do a quick lume check, right? Let's see how it looks in this. Ooh, very very nice Seiko. Let's just shut down the other. Okay, so that is how it looks. Of course, this is featuring a Seiko Lume Bright. Nobody can beat Seiko at this lume game. So yeah, very very nice piece in my opinion, right? So I think that's all, guys. So until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.